This is number 4. Are you reading closely and looking? Let's read. How many baskets did he use after all the apples were placed? Let's read the details. Charlie picked 49 apples and put 7 apples in each basket. Let's circle some clues. I know this is about Charlie, and I know he picked 49 apples. When you pick an apple, you grab an apple. So he got 49 apples. He put 7 apples in each basket. And we want to know how many baskets did he use for his apples. What should I do first? The main idea. My main idea is going to say how many baskets. What do I know? Well, I know that Charlie got 49 apples and he was putting 7 apples in each basket. So this is about Charlie, and Charlie has apples. Charlie had 49 apples. That was his total. And he was putting 7 in each basket. So I'm going to draw a basket, and I'm going to put 7 inside. I'm going to draw another basket, and I'm going to put 7 inside. I could keep going and going and going, but I wouldn't know when to stop. So right now I just have 2 baskets, and I'm going to put ... until I get to my last basket. I don't know what number basket that is going to be. But I do know that inside the last basket, there's going to be 7. Because he's just grabbing 7 each time. Now that I have my strip diagram, I'm going to look at my action poster to see what picture matches. Not put together, or take away, not any multiplication. Maybe it could be division because I'm sharing the apples in all of the baskets. Could it be share set equally? Well, we don't know what number goes inside, but we do know what number goes inside, so no. Maybe it could be take away equal sets. Hey, this has a ... this has a ... We don't know how many bowls they're going to need, and we don't know how many baskets we're going to need. So this does match. It's take away equal sets, and my operation is division. So I'm going to write my clue up here that we need to divide. When I write my division number sentence, I'm going to remember that we always divide from the total. So I have a total of 49 shared equally into, I don't know how many groups. When you don't know how many groups, it's okay to write the other number that you know, 7. So 49 shared equally into 7 equals our quotient. We're going to solve this using an area model for division. So I'm going to set up the rectangle. My total is going to go at the bottom. And since I have 7 groups, that's going to go on the side. So that's 7 rows. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can squeeze in another one down here. 7. Let me write my list of easy numbers from 2nd grade. 10, 5, 2, and 1. Let's see if I can share by 10 first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Do I have enough to give away 70? No, I only have 49. Let's see if I can share 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Since my number is bigger, then yes, I can give away 35. So I can put in 5 dots. And if you don't want to put in dots, you can just write in the number 5, and that'll make it faster. So I just shared 5 in each group. That means that if I gave away 5, if I gave away another 5, and I gave away all those 5s, I just gave away 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I share them away, so I need to take away 35. Since I don't have room to take away here, I'm just going to move this over here. So here's 49, take away 35. If I take away 35, then 9 take away 5 would be 4. And 4 take away 3 would be 1. So that means I have 14 left to share. Can I keep sharing by 5? Well, let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. No, I don't have enough. Maybe I can share by 2 now. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Do I have 14? Yes, I do. So let's share by 2. I'm just going to write the number 2 in each. I just shared 2 in each. And since I gave away all those 2's, that was a total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So I need to take away 14. How many do I have left to share? I have nothing left to share. That means I'm done sharing. So now I need to focus on how much each group got. So if I cover everything, and I just circle the first group, I see that first they got 5, and that's part of my quotient, and then they got 2, so that's part of my quotient. And I need to put my partial quotients together to see what my quotient is. So when I put them together, I get a quotient of 7. That means that there are 7 in each group. Let's see which one matches. Go and see, and I can justify by writing down that I shared from 49.